Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sell here in Google Merchant Center. Let's begin. Now, to sell on Google using the Google Merchant Center, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is you might want to sign up for a Google account by clicking this Start Now button. As you can see, once you're here, you just have to fill out essential business information like your store details. All right, and click on continue. From here, you just have to click this, fill out payment information and policies. All right, and from here, business name is going to be continue. Once you have successfully created your account, you would notice you have now the Google Merchant Center next. These are going to be the dashboard wherein you need to familiarize yourself with the platform. All right, so on the left side is going to be your business section. This is where we can start selling products or utilizing the Google Merchant Center to sell something here. Now, first off is you want to make sure you go to the product section and add a new product. So we have a separate video, an in-depth video on how to add products here using the platform that you might want to check in our channel. But essentially, I'm just gonna make a quick run through. All right, you can choose from add another product source or add new products one by one. Now in this section, you have the option to put in the website, title, brand, description, add images if you want. You can drag and drop or click your computer or provide an image URL, whichever you prefer. If you do that, just wait for it to load. All right, and then click on add, and you can put in the product type, select category if you want. You can put in the price, sale price if you wanted, product identifiers, language, and of course the countries or market of your target. You can put in the labels. We have a separate video on how to add custom labels here. Add product details if you wanted to dive deep. Just have to check our Deep Laughs YouTube channel video for that. All right, so let's click on save. Once you have uploaded your product here in Google Merchant Center, you now have to go to the shippings and returns. This is very important for you to be able to successfully run a business or selling successful products here in Google Merchant Center. Click the Get Started. You would notice that you would be welcoming with your shipping policy. Just type in this. And to begin adding shipping information, select a single country or multiple countries that share shipping costs and delivery options. In my case, I'm going to be choosing both United Kingdom, United States, and click on continue. Now, you can select the products that share shipping costs and delivery options, or you can specify products. But for now, I'm gonna choose the default option. All right. And again, it must be entered before you can add shipping info for a specific group. Click on continue. And from here, you can type in the order cutoff, 2 p.m. Time zone is Pacific Standard Time, which is Los Angeles. Handling time is minimum of 6 and 9. So let's leave it for now. Transit is all destinations, and you have all these. All right. 0 to 16. 9. All right. Fulfill this Monday to Saturday. Click on continue. And from here, you can choose the currency. You can order valid conditions. All right, free shipping, flat rate, price, weight, number of items in advance, cost tables, and click on save. You would be forwarded to this section. All right, so you have now successfully created your shipping information together with your first product. Click on done. The next option is going to be around the store qualities. Why? You need to make sure that you pass the scorecard, and you want to make sure you improve your store quality to get rank higher in Google Shopping results and store quality tools. You will be able to show your top quality store badge on your website. And for us to be able to do that, to rank higher in the Google shopping results, go to the free listings right here. All right, to show your products across Google, you want to make sure that your products can show in free listings across Google. So we are here. and go to the ad campaigns, which is one of the most important part of selling successful products here in this platform. Now, you can advertise your products in Google by linking to Google Ads. If you click that, it would forward you to the new account. You just have to confirm your online store if you wanted. But if you want to link to Google Ads, which account you don't manage, for example, you own the Google Merchant Center, but your client owns the Google Ads, you might want to get the Google Ads custom ID, customer ID, all right? For example, we're going to put in this number, all right? Click the send link request. Now, you have an option to use any of the following options, all right? Account ID will be shared, create Google Ads using the product information from your Merchant Center, view metrics to add such as number of clicks in Google Merchant Center, and of course, make sure you have the access level, all right? If you're working with a client, you might want to ask permissions so that they would give you access to link both accounts. Click that, all right, and click on send link request. Now, the next thing is you might want to go to add the analytics, because this will give you an option to monitor and optimize your Google Ads and the performance of your products. All right. Right now, no clicks on Google lead to your website because we haven't had the chance to do that. You click the ads right here and the free listings and the clicks. All right. And of course, you also might want to make sure that you check the products, because this is where you can ensure you have a compelling product images, clear pricing, and promotional sales if applicable, because this is one of the few options for you to drive traffic and sales. All right. Want to make sure that these are going to be view all products, and you can also view all brands if you have a specific brands that you sell. Now, you make sure your product data meets the Google's shopping policies. Use high resolution relevant images to improve click-through rates. Ensure your titles, descriptions, and attributes are accurate to avoid disapprovals. All right, so these are going to be some of the options for you to monitor and optimize the Google Merchant Center and Google Ads to monitor the performance of your products. And from here, you can adjust product titles, descriptions, images, and bids based on the performance data. All right, and these are going to be the key tools for you to make sure that you are ranking higher. All right, you see all this data right here. You can view details and visibility by traffic and who has the highest visibility right now. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.